Hey guys, so I'm kind of rushing because I was supposed to be at work like now. So today I'm doing this look for you. I'm using my McGrath palette. It didn't exactly go how I wanted to the first time, but you guys will see in the video how it went and what I did to improvise instead. What else? Yeah, that's it really. I have to go like now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, I think I said everything a YouTuber is supposed to say. And I'll see you guys in my next video. If you like this video, subscribe. There we go. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I already primed my face with the MAC Prep and Prime. And then of course I mixed it with my Too Faced Hangover RX. The white eyeshadow that I used to set my lids and my brows was this color here. Thanks a Latte in the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. I'm going to go in with these two shades, Transition and Are You Kitten Me. I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35C palette. I'm definitely known for bringing my eyeshadows out and then I have to like wind up winging them. But I really want this look to be on the lid. You know what would help right now? Some tape. Nope. Too far. Not getting it. Okay, this is the Morphe M506. I'm gonna go into an oldie but goodie palette. Like, this palette is pretty old. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Artist Palette. I'm gonna take this color here, Blue Velvet. I'm trying to do a halo eye. Last time it didn't really work for me the way that I wanted to, so this time I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna take that color, Blue Velvet, and put it on my outer edge of my eye. Blend it right into that crease with that other blue shade that I laid down from the Morphe palette. And I'm going to really try to build this Blue Velvet up in my crease since that other Morphe shade was a little bit choppy. I'm really just going over it just to like make everything pretty seamless. I'm going to go one more time in with Blue Velvet just so I can get a little bit of that color back from that blending. You get some on the inner corner. I'm going to take this color right here, which is called Black Metal. Just on this little space that I've left, I'm going to apply that shade. I'm not going above my crease whatsoever. Wow. Okay, maybe if I go on with my finger, it'll be a little better. Excuse me, what's going on? Okay, I'll start with my finger on the other side. Like, do we see how this color is applied? Ooh. Elf Glitter Glue. I don't know what the f is happening there, but definitely not what I wanted to happen. This color really didn't come out the way that I thought it was going to. I'm going to put some mascara on, and then I'm going to go in with another color. I'm going to go back in one more time with my glitter glue and then my NYX glitter in Crystal. Now it's a party. So I've got my lashes on. They're the Arison lashes. They're off of Amazon. I don't know the name of these lashes whatsoever. Like, this is what the packaging looks like. And the back says Discover Luxury Beauty. Yikes. Go in with the Makeup Forever 5 Camouflage Cream Palette in number 4. I take this orange shade. So I'm just, this product is so creamy. I'm so sorry. It's just amazing how creamy this is. Under the eyes. Can't let them know that you were pulling it all nighter. A body brush. The same one that I always use to blend out my orange concealer. I'm surprised that I didn't go out, but I'm gonna clean this up anyway. And then bring it. This smells horrible. It smells like vodka, honestly. And I'm not talking about like Ciroc. I'm talking about like, what's that one Russian vodka that's in that big bottle and it's only like $10? I'm talking about like that, like some burn the hair on your chest type vodka. I take my Real Techniques sculpting brush and a little bit of rose water. Oh, I can set them on the camera. I don't want to jinx it, but I may actually be on time today. We're going to use this girl to bake. So just shake it all into the cap. Turn it upside down. Ah, it freaking stinks. I'm not even gonna complain though. Nothing smells worse than the airspun powder. Okay, apply a little bit on the forehead, on the chin, nose. Okay, I'm gonna go back into the Makeup Forever palette and I'm gonna take that same brush just on the other side and take this shade right here, which is the deepest shade in this little palette. Ooh, this is a very nice shade. So I'm just going to take a mix of those two shades and run it down my nose. And the contour. And whatever's left on my Cupid bow. And then we all know I like a very strong outline lip. Find my contouring brush. Ooh. This color is really nice. Do you guys see that? This color is great. And it's blending out like effortlessly. Like literally just blend everything together. And you'll be good. I wish I would have got some blushes. I'll use a blush that I haven't used before though. Like in a while. On my face today. What is happening? Of course, everybody wants to wake up when I'm filming and be loud. I'm going to use this color here, a deep shade. It's such a great name for color. And I'm going to dip my brush all in here. And then bronze my skin up. I'm going to go back in to bake once again. Maybelline Fit Me powder, loose finishing powder in 30 medium deep. I feel like MAC, like nobody talks about MAC anymore and it's so weird. Like, I mean, I'm not like the biggest MAC fan, but when I first started getting into makeup, I was like, bro, MAC makeup is like what I want. Like my first makeup products were MAC. But now it's like nobody ever talks about MAC, but MAC is still like quality. Like their products are still quality. So, and they like keep up with the times. Like they were making 49 shades of foundation in every different color before, you know, I knew what a foundation was. So, shout out to MAC. Y'all are doing the damn thing and have been. just gonna go in with this brush here. I'm gonna take my shade Blue Velvet and just press that against my bottom lash line. Okay, and then I'm also gonna go back on the edges here and just deepen all of this and blend all of this out. Okay. For some reason I cannot have a mirror that's too close to me when I do a bottom lash mascara. Like I really gotta see everything that's going on in my face when I do my bottom lash. Saul, can you ask her if she's giving me a ride to work?
She asked me to be ready.
I'm gonna be ready within the next like 5 minutes. I gotta be there by 11:45. Ooh, very, very pretty. Okay. Bang. Contouring with my MAC Film Noir blush and that same brush that I used earlier to apply my cream contour. I'm just gonna go in a little bit on the cheeks just to bring that contour back a little bit. And make sure I get it on the head too. A little on my nose. And then definitely underneath the lip. Rihanna Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Cinnamon. Like that's me. That's literally me. Okay, and as my base highlight to my base highlight shades, I'm going to use the two gold highlighting shades to set my base highlight. And then I'm trying to think about what highlighter I want to go on with. Honestly, the first blush that I grab out of here, I'm using it. This is a NYX blush. You can tell it's old because of the packaging. In Desert Rose, I believe. Yeah, this is one of my favorite blushes at one point. And just add some color to the cheeks. To the cheeks. Apply some to the nose. And on the forehead a little bit. I'm going to go on with Glo Glitter Forever Young. I really don't want to do anything on my lips. NYX Lip Gloss and Lollipop. Ugh, these smell so good. This is just a quick lip. Honestly, it might change. Okay, that looks crazy.